Alright, y'all. We haven't gotten any rain consistently for a while, but it's here now. It's here now. So we praying on those tornadoes come through. But that's why I was in such a big hurry to get that fields done. So now the rain that we need here, and we're supposed to get down to freezing tonight and tomorrow. Yeah, we're supposed to have some freezing days the next couple of days. Yep, coming in now, y'all. But the good thing is it's gonna get that doggone lime mixed over into that soil real good. It's blowing, y'all. It's blowing. It's blowing. All right, y'all. I hope you, wherever you at, y'all stay safe. We trying to stay dry and hope the power stay up. All right, y'all. Peace. All right, y'all. Just as soon as I said something, the power went out. The power off. So I think I got a half a tank of fuel in the diesel. I got a half a tank of diesel. But I gotta come out here, y'all. That's the only thing, man. They not automatic yet. So I come here and what we do is we pop that off right there. I gotta get this automatic. But right now we just thugging it. But that's the only thing about living in rural areas like this. They don't seem to be able to keep the power grid up. And I'm gonna just cut them all off. I'm gonna walk over here, cut them all off. Hold on. Now I'm gonna cut them on. I'm gonna cut the generator on. Let's get the generator on first. And then I didn't fill it up, but it got a good amount of diesel in it. Definitely half a tank. So, but I went and bought 3 more tanks yesterday. So we'll run for a little while. Let's fire them up, y'all. It got over voltage on it. Let me cut it off and fire it back up. Cause that normally don't come on. Alright. I don't know why that's coming on, y'all. Yeah. Ain't that crazy? Everything been fine and all of a sudden, right when you need it, it come on. No fuel, over voltage. Oh. Oh. Let me cut it off again and see what happens. Yeah, this thing been running fine. Ain't had not a problem. But why is that coming on, y'all? Alright, let's open it. Let's open it. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. It ain't been doing it, but hey, we out here in the lightning. I gotta come up with a better system. Yeah, I ain't think we were gonna have power out of this fast. Lights coming up. Yeah, I ain't think we just had a power outage, y'all. Crazy, man. Let's go get Grandma situated. Let's get Grandma situated. It's gonna have to work. Whatever the issue is with it, it's gonna have to figure itself out, but I don't know. It ain't a perfect situation, but it's a situation. Y'all get what I'm saying? My folks ain't got to sit down here and be without power, and that's all that matters to me. I got you, Grandma. You ain't got Yeah, this right here, we really want to wear to automatically pop on. Alright, she up. Tonight we got the generator up and running just in time, y'all. Let's go check it out. The light flickered when I went in a little bit. I'm just trying to see how much power being used, because I don't know who running what. I don't know what Grandma got going on. And this only a 15 kW, guys. I don't care how big it looks. It's not no. Yeah, it ain't being used that much. I'm gonna just leave it alone, y'all. I don't like that light, but that's the first time it's been on. And this right here, man, I don't know what's up with this, but I'm gonna put another 5 gallons in there, because I just put about 5. I put a little bit in there last night, so I'm gonna put some more in there. I don't know what that is. That don't work. But we ain't using that much. Yeah, we're not using that much. Just spray nothing. That don't mean nothing, y'all. I know it does, but what I'm saying is, I reset the lamp. Oh, y'all know what? I just reset the lamp, and it went off. Praise the Lord, y'all. All right. So all I gotta do now, because this not working, depending on how long the power off, I gotta come out here and put it. I'm only putting 5 gallons in at a time, because I don't want to just fill it all the way up and it just sitting here and the diesel go bad. So 5 gallons at a time. All right, baby, it's show time to shine now. My grandma online. Let me go make sure she online, man. Yeah, Grandma online. Meal should be online. We all should be online with that little 15 kW, man. Yeah, she in here door. You alright in here, Grandma? You know the lights on now. Hold on, I can't hear you. What you say? Okay. Well, I was just letting you know the power is on. The generator is working. Well, I didn't even know the lights were off. You didn't? Oh, wow. Well, you... The generator come on. I said, wow. Now the power off. It's running. And I like the fact it's not too loud. I'm so proud of you, man. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, Grandma. Call me now if you need me. All right. Y'all, we in complete power outage right now. And the generator is working. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's holding us up, man. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful that we was able to get it fixed in the nick of time. That Stacy was able to come over here and fix it right in the nick of time, because we needed it. We done had 2 power outages back to back. We had a power outage probably 2 or 3 days ago. We was out about 6 hours. Now we got another outage right now. We in the middle of one, but you wouldn't know it. But we got our internet up, everything is up, everything's still good. So it ain't brand new, but hey, that generator I paid $1,750 for, It's holding us up right now, y'all. We sitting in the middle of a storm, in the middle of a blackout, and our freezers are working, internet is working, all the lights that everything's supposed to work. All right, y'all. It's Larry, man. Peace.